So I'm in Clopton. Talk about defaulting to defaults. I came down the A1, which is unusual for me, Buckden roundabout, through Grapham, joined the B660 after the racehorse at Catworth came up the top, Clopton, and I'm heading towards Waddenlath, but we will see. T140 is covered in ACF 50 from a storage over winter. It was quite alarming actually at the BP filling station, the ACF 50 burning off the header pipes. I did wipe it down before they set off, but there's still also, there's always residue ACF 50 on the engine. And it smoked, and I think the owner-operator of the garage thought the bike was going to catch fire, but I'm quite used to it, so it was quite a funny moment for me to think that they were going to put extinguishers on my T140. The rocker shaft bloody O-rings must have hardened, and there's quite a bit of oil coming out the side, but it is what it is. Got to be mindful that the ACF 50, as it warms up and it comes off everywhere, it drips, and I'm wiping it up. But 745Cs or 750 under the hood is a little bit different than my 59 C15, so care has to be taken. You can see a little bit of water there, but they are 90% clear. Clopton Church. Let's go take a look inside. This is the church at Clopton. Wow. Hello. Hello. Oh, one of the new BSA Gold Stars.